Alright, little recap of the day. Today I only made around $30 when I actually could have made a lot more if I didn't take one of the trades I took. But I took one trade which was a loss and one trade which was a win. So pretty much they evened out and I braked evened on the day. So I'll go over my bias and everything. Initially I was bearish as we were just in very bearish order flow, and I thought we were gonna go lower and touch this low we had down here. However, once market opens, I hate moving through this. However, once market opens and took out this internal low right here, and put in an SMT as the S&P never took out that low. Pretty much perfectly swept it out and immediate displacement out of it. And really the trade I should have taken after this should have been based off of this candle again. I should have entered off of this candle, but I hesitated, which is which was my main mistake today. But my main draw on liquidity was this 1 hour massive gap we formed. I saw it as the most obvious draw, as we also had pretty much relative equal highs stacked from London session. So I was pretty much wanting all this liquidity right here to get taken out. I saw this as the main draw. I mean, pretty much relative equal highs right there. That's what I wanted to see get hit. And that is what we hit. So initially I was looking to enter off of this 3-minute inversion that we played, as this was the highest time frame inversion we had. However, this 3-minute candle was just way too big for me to enter off of and did not give me it gave me basically a negative risk to reward, so I wasn't willing to take it. And in all honesty, this first trade I took was just plain stupid. I mean, we inversed this 1-minute gap. I entered off of right here. And I pretty much just targeted a 1-to-1. My stop was right here below this candle, and I pretty much got stopped out to the tick. If we turn on executions, stopped out at 25.90.75. Right there. Pretty much to the tick. I got stopped out. Which was pretty annoying. I don't even think, price was one tick away from stopping me out, but because of the broker fee, it did stop me out. So that was just really annoying. But honestly, this trade was kind of stupid in the first place. The actual trade I took right after was based off of this distribution candle out of that gap. And I thought, okay, yeah, we're so close to this target. We're only 23 points away from it. We are going to hit it. So pretty much just targeted a 1-to-1. Stop loss was set like right. It was just right there to give me a 1-to-1. Almost got stopped out, but luckily we didn't. This trade actually won, and I guess it was. I guess I had risked a little more, because I only netted about $30 for the day, which is really annoying because I should have been up like almost 200. But yeah, those were the two trades I took. Didn't take anything after that. There was one trade I wanted to take. It was based off of these two inversions. And there was a 5-minute gap right here targeting that high. But by that time I had already hopped off the charts because I pretty much didn't want to trade after that first loss. But yeah, pretty much breaked even on the day. That's really annoying, but it is what it is. I'm up $164 on this account. It's just 50K Apex account. Going to try to get it to 1,000 and then request a $500 payout from it. That is the goal right now, and the goal is pretty much to just use that payout to stack as many accounts as possible and hopefully make a lot more money and hopefully make back all the money I lost. That is pretty much the game plan moving forward. But yeah, that is a recap on today. Pretty much broke even on the day. So, I mean, yeah, really not much to it. Hopefully the rest of the week is better. I've been better at managing my risk. But I'm going to be risking a bit more on this account. I'm probably going to risk like $200 a trade. I think that's a good amount. To hopefully grow this account fairly quickly while also not blowing it, obviously. But yeah, that is the game plan. So I'll see you guys in the next trade recap.